Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 16th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. We had locally, our employment change increased significantly to 41.1 thousand new jobs. That was much better than the forecast, and the unemployment rate remained at 5.2%. This was taken well by investors as our Aussie dollar made some ground yesterday and recovering slightly against the US dollar. From the UK, we saw their retail sales numbers come in at 0.2%. That was also better than the forecasted, as the sterling seems to be making a little bit of a stance. And look, pretty much at the moment with the sterling, it's still a case that it is driven by the headlines and predominantly by those Brexit headlines at this particular stage. From the US, we saw core retail sales number coming at 1%. That was better than forecast. Manufacturing index 16.8, also better than forecast. And the retail sales themselves also better than forecast at 0.7%. So overall, it was a positive day for the US dollar as well, even though our Aussie dollar made ground against the US dollar because our data was taken better than the US data. That was all that's happened yesterday. Time to have a look at our chart of the day. At the moment, there's no charts that are really screaming out and ready for a trigger. This is the nicest one that I've found. That is the Aussie CAD, and clearly we can see from this chart that we are in downtrend. And what we're looking for is a little bit of a pullback, and so that we can continue the downtrend trade. And I've marked out our hot zone over here, so if the market pulls back towards this area, maybe we can produce an inside candle or some kind of price action reversal, and then we can continue with the trade into this direction. Add it to your hot list. Aussie CAD daily timescale is our chart of the day this morning. Alright, what's happening for the last session of the week, the Friday session? Actually, quite surprisingly, there is no major news on the cards. So that pretty much wraps up for today. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.